How to secure your Peacock account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to secure your Peacock TV account. If you want to secure your Peacock account, you could use a strong and a unique password, enable two-factor authentication, and you could also set your profile pin as well. If you want to enable two-factor authentication, you go to the profile initials and click on the account section, then go to settings. Here you can locate two-factor authentication. If not, then you might have to use a third-party tool such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator and enable it and set a pin that might be able to add an extra layer of security as well. Next, you could also reset your password. So basically, resetting your password regularly or once in a month can help you prevent from other people from accessing your account. So you could create a strong and a unique password that should be able to help. Moving on, you can also secure your profile by setting a pin. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on the profile initials at the bottom, and there comes this section. Click on the pencil shape icon, and here you have profile pin. Toggle a button and you will be asked to type in the account password. Click on confirm, and then you could go ahead and secure your account or set a pin. So this way as well, you'll be able to secure your Peacock account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.